Dear friends, today I am going to discuss about seven wonders of the ancient world. Various list of the wonders of the world have been compiled from antiquity to the present day to catalog the world's most spectacular natural wonders and man-made structures. The seven wonders of the ancient world is the first known list of the most remarkable creations of classical antiquity. It only includes books located around the Mediterranean rim. The great, uh, the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world and the only one to remain largely intact. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. The Hanging Gardens of the Babylon were one of the seven wonders of the ancient world and the only one whose location has been definitely established. Statue of Zeus at Olympia. The statue of Zeus at Olympia was giant seated figure about 13 meter tall, made by the Greek sculptor Phidias around 435 BC at Sanctuary of Olympia, Greece, and erected in the temple of just there. Temple of Artemis. The Temple of Artemis or Artemision, also known less precisely as the Temple of Diana, was a Greek temple dedicated to the goddess Artemis and is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Mausoleum at Helicarnus. The mausoleum at Helicarnus was tomb built between 353 and 350 BC at Helicarnus for Moses, a satrap in the Persian Empire, and Artemisia II of Caria, who was both his wife and his sister. Colossus of Rhodes. Colossus of Rhodes was a statue of the Greek Titan god of the sun Helios, erected in the city of Rhodes on the Greek island of the same name by Charles of Lindos in 280 BC. Lighthouse of Alexandria. Lighthouse of Alexandria was lofty tower built by the Ptolemaic kingdom between 280 and 247 BC and between 120 and 137 meter tall. It was one of the tallest man-made structure of the earth of many centuries. Thank you very much.